we really have to go back to school shopping?
Yes, just let's get it over with. What do you need anyways?
Nothing, I don't want to go.
Just go get pencils.
There's so many. Regular, mechanical. How did these all get here anyways?
Hey, you.
Huh?
Kid.
Me?
Yes, you.
Are you a pencil talking to me?
Yes, do you want to know how I got here?
I shouldn't have eaten all that candy. Now I'm seeing things.
Kid, I'm real. Just let me show ya.
What does Great Dane make? Describe that process.
So Great Dane, specifically here in Elysburg, we build what's called a dry van trailer. Basically, it's a box with wheels on it.
And the process involves an entire team of people throughout the plant. It starts at one end of the line, moves on through to the other end of the line, till at the end of the day we've built a number of trailers.
That process begins with raw materials that are formed and shaped into different components.
What is your role in the process?
My job is I'm the fabrication weld shop production supervisor. I oversee the day-to-day operations in those shops.
I am our technical trainer. That means that I'm in charge of the training processes here at our plant.
So here I'm a manufacturing engineer, and basically what I do is I design the way to make the product.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
You get to build something every day. Think about everything that you have and that you wear or you own or you purchase comes to you in a truck.
I've just always loved making stuff, especially in the United States. It's a great thing for everyone to be able to build things.
Oh, for sure, my favorite thing about manufacturing is teamwork. The fact that everyone's working together towards a common goal is absolutely the coolest thing about manufacturing.
It's one of the best things about working here is the amazing team that I'm able to work with.
We're a family-oriented workforce just because we all know each other. Everybody knows each other.
Not only is the atmosphere great, but the fun is even greater.
What do you find cool about manufacturing?